Okay guys, here we are, move-in day. Let's go. Bring my bags. About to go ahead and sign this contract. New apartment, baby. We staying. She actually put some very nice doors up here for me. Make it more private. Welcome to the new apartment. Office slash chill area. Guest bedroom. Desk and TV. Kitchen slash living room. Master bedroom. Multiple closets. Fans. AC. A lot of place to chill, man. Stove, refrigerator. Now the bedroom here. Guest bedroom. Closet. Yeah, definitely feel this place right here. Definitely feeling this place right here. A lot more spacious. Also has bathroom. Very nice. Yeah. We in here, baby. New apartment. Managua. Yes. Feeling it, man. Let me know what y'all think. If I made the right choice. Or, hey, you know, you gotta keep moving up as we move ahead in life. That's the only way to go. It's up. Very open space. That's what I really like about this place. You can come out here and relax too. Nice chair. Relaxation. Many places to kick back. Go ahead and relax a little bit. All right, y'all, we in here. New apartment. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it chill, baby. Got the refrigerator in here now. There's our gravy. You know? Multiple bedrooms. You know what I'm saying? Nice big open space. Bathroom. Dining room slash office. Another bedroom. Yeah, very nice space. Feeling it, baby. Think I made the right choice. Nicaragua.
All right, since I had a little time to check out the place with the new appliances, I went ahead and did a little remix of the arrangement. So the bedroom's pretty much good as it is. A lot of closet space. And yeah, looks comfortable. But the dining room, I had to move the refrigerator, the stove, and the shelving. I think it works out well this way. And the third bedroom is small and quaint, yet has nice shelf space and closet space for a guest. And the kitchen does have a lot of counter space to cook up some good meals and a lot of space to store cups, dishes, and food. And the bathroom does look like it's in pretty good condition. The only thing is I will need to add a shower head as there's one missing right now, but other than that, it's all good. Overall, I think after moving some things around, it's already starting to look like home. And the lounge area and office area, I'm already mapping it out in my head how I want to get that set up as far as the new YouTube studio, so stay tuned.
At the new crib, baby. There it is.
But I really like the environment. I like the ambiance. When I came to Managua the first time, it was right here. That's El Carmen, where I had to stay right there. And it's a heavily guarded area. So the good thing is I'm not on the inside of that. But at the same time, I'm very close by and it's a very secure area. I do know that. It was so hard to... Oh yeah, I remember this place too. It's Pechugas or Pechuga? Or Mea? ¿Cuántos por Mea?
Ah,
¿Cuántos por Mea?
150 corto.
Okay, gracias. Okay. Lots of restaurants. Nice houses. Another restaurant here. Pharmacy right here. Little store, you could buy beer. There's a bar here right on the corner. Dental office here. We back, baby. So there you have it, guys. I'm here to stay in Nicaragua. New lease, 6 months, everything included. Water, lights, internet, total. Can't beat this deal. $380 a month. I'm here to stay. Let's go. So stay tuned because there's going to be much more travel adventures ahead around the world. So stay tuned. You know how we do. Until next time, peace.